In this video, I'll be showing my portable pop-up dice tower, created in commemoration of the first annual Bit Boards online board game convention. Hey everybody, it's Adrian and Zanza's Toys. It's been a long time since I've made a video, but I'm back with something that I think is really fun. So it's a foldable dice tower. So some good friends of mine are running a digital board game conference this weekend. And I was talking to one of my friends that's putting together the event, and we were talking about how it'd be really cool to have some digital swag. Because one of the sad things about attending a conference digitally is you don't get, a bag full of fun stuff, right? But you can totally get a virtual bag full of things like STLs. So I wanted to come up with something that would be really fun and commemorate the event. So here we have the logo for Bitboard. Definitely recommend checking it out. I'll have a link in the description. And what it is a dice tower. So you'll see that it's not totally flat, but it's reasonably compact. And the way this works is you expand it out like this. And so now we have kind of a box, right? But if it was just a box, that wouldn't really work as a dice tower, right? There's nothing to agitate the dice. So what there is also, there's a couple of little shelves that fold down. So they fold down, and what we're left with is, it's a little hard to see maybe, but trust me that there's two shelves at an angle that make it so that the dice actually, works like a dice tower. And that's pretty much it. So if we fold this up, so I'll come from these can't fold all the way down in the other direction, because that would make this not work. So I'll come from the bottom and push them up. There we go, back to a box. And if we squash this down, we're back to a nice, flat, compact-ish dice tower that can be, stacked with books and etc. It's reasonably robust. I do think if you make one of these, you want to be a little bit careful with it. Don't toss it in a bag full of a lot of other stuff. But if you carefully put it in like a messenger bag, it should be fine and should work out really well if you want to game on the go. I'll have links to the files for this. This version is going to be an exclusive just for the convention. But I'll make a version without the logo that will just be up with links in the description. So yeah, thanks for checking this out. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See you soon. Oh, and one last thing. So the friends of mine that are putting on the convention are the Delve Bros, and they have a really awesome Kickstarter going on right now for Taelmoor. It's a really cool hybrid digital physical board game. It's kind of like Dungeons & Dragons, but without the setup. So if you like playing D&D, but you don't always want to do all the wonderful and fun, but also demanding setup, you should check it out. I'll have a link in the description, and yeah, please give it a look. Thanks.